can go downstairs. Where's Prof?
Yes, this teaches us. This is where Benga Daniel used.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
last time.
Okay.
Yes. That's where Benga Daniel used.
All we require is the draft before the national fund.
I don't know.
The same empty, it's only
The same? The entire building is empty. Nobody has allocated anything to anybody. It was meant for the campaign, not for individuals. Yeah. And can you open this place?
Very good afternoon to you all. We're here today as the management team of Atiku Okowa 2023 presidential campaign. We have just inspected the campaign headquarters, and we are pleased to report to you, and indeed Nigerians, that the campaign is ready to move. We are, by the grace of God, flagging off the campaign this coming Monday, being the 10th of October, 2023, at Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. All arrangements are being made for us to have a very, very successful flag off of the campaign. Our campaign is going to be issue-based, and we are going to be marketing our candidate based on the program that we have rolled out, which is generally solution-based. We're not going to go about fishing. Atiku Abubakar is very well prepared to provide the required leadership that this country needs at this time. He has the experience in governance at the federal level, which I believe none of the rest of the candidates can match. And this is not time for Nigeria to go into trial and error. It's time for Nigeria to give it to the person that has been tested and who has the experience to do a good job, who will from day one hit the ground running, as we have done as a campaign. INEC lifted ban on campaigns for presidential and National Assembly elections on the 28th. And on that 28th, we started our programs for the campaign. even that should confirm to Nigerians that this is the only party, and indeed candidature, that is prepared and ready to go. We seek for your cooperation, for your collaboration, the media, on any issue that you need clarification. You can approach us. When we need you, we shall approach you. On whatever issue you want to engage us, we are ready and available and very well coordinated. We seek for the collaboration of Nigerians and their understanding as we go about campaigns. As I said, ours is going to be based on issues. And we seek to have violence-free electoral process. In any case, our principal has been known for his peaceful mien, and his personality speaks for him as a gentleman. So, gentlemen of the press, we thank you very much for turning out at this time, and we are going to work together to deliver the President of the Republic of Nigeria in Atiku Abubakar come May 29, 2023. We are doing everything to settle our disagreements. They are political. I've said it in Uyo about a week or 2 weeks ago that we are not involved in a war of attrition. It is a political disengagement, and we are working by the grace of God to resolve all of those outstanding issues. Well, Atiku Abubakar traveled throughout the nooks and crannies of this country. Particularly, he moved around the states before the primaries to campaign, and he was in Southeast. Only last week, we were in Enugu, the political capital of southeastern region of Nigeria, and we avoided no state during our consultation and all of that. So we are very prepared to go into the Southeast, and we believe that we are still the #1 candidate even for the Southeast. We are not conceding or yielding any ground anywhere on any of the 6 political zones in this country.